Welcome to Pydle Day 132. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. So if you like programming in Python or you're learning, then this might just be the game for you. So today's Pydle is an elephant viewed from the side. So have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you haven't played Pydle in a while, or you're just looking for tips, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a very colorful kite. Okay, so the colors of the kite, I'm going to create a list for that, and then I will show you how to use that. So the colors are starting from the center, it's yellow, orange, green, blue, and purple. Okay, so what is the condition where we need to kind of fill in the kite and not the string or the tail? It's basically where x and y greater than 1. Okay, so let's put that in. So if x greater than 1 and y greater than 1. But let's first see if we can get the outline of the kite. Okay, that would have worked, but I actually will use in the y inverted because we're looking for the straight line there, and it's much more convenient if we start from 0, 0 in the bottom left corner. Okay, so that flipped it. So now we've got the outline of the kite. Let's just do the tail quickly. You could say else Pydle x, comma 4 minus y, no character, and now we can do both the whites and the reds in one statement. So you say red if, and that's why we chose the coordinates we did, because that is basically when x equals y. Else white. Okay, so there we've got the tail of the kite and the whole puzzle filled in white. Okay, so let's figure out how to do the colors of the kite. So we know we've got a list of colors, and that needs to increase with that. Now, as always, whenever we've got some sort of a diagonal, we write the linear equation for that. So the diagonals of each of these separate colors, the slope is -1. So y equals minus x. And then the yellow is going to be +4. Okay, so if we just put that all on one side, what we actually get is y plus x, because the equation was actually, I can just write it there, the equation for that line is y equals minus x plus 4. Okay, so that's the equation of the yellow I know it's only a single point, but if we were to draw it as a diagonal, then it would have crossed the x. Oh, sorry, no, the y-intercept would have been 4 plus 4. Okay, so we're actually looking for the y-intercept. So if x equals 0, then y is 4. Okay, so and that one is 5. The orange line is 5, the green is 6, yellow is 7, purple. So what we basically do is we take that equation, let's just put a comment there, and now we bring the 4 to the other side, so it's minus 4. So it's y plus x minus 4. That's going to be true for yellow, and then that's going to be true for all the colors. It's going to just basically increase by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hope that makes sense to you. Take away that comment, and that solves the Pydle. Hope you enjoyed solving this colorful Pydle. Have a go at this cute little elephant. I've got another elephant that I'll bring in a few days. But yeah, if you haven't played Pydle today, so have a go at solving the Pydle. And I will see you again tomorrow with the solution.